Do you want to build a gaming PC under $42,000? We have gone with Ryzen 5 5500 processor. It is combined with the MSI B550M Pro-Vdh Wi-Fi motherboard. For memory, we've gone with T-Force Vulcan Z8GB DDR4 RAM. In terms of storage, our build will include a Crucial P3 500GB NVMe SSD. The Cooler Master MWE 550 Watt 80 plus bronze SMPS powers our build. To have a perfect gaming experience, we added the ASUS RX 560 4GB DDR5 graphics card, the Esports Ice 100 mid-tower. Gaming cabinet combines all of these components effectively. Like and subscribe for more awesome builds.